Welcome to Effortless Data Mapping with Process Runner's drag and drop feature. In this video, we'll explore how you can easily map data between Excel and SAP using Process Runner's intuitive drag and drop functionality. Introduction to the drag and drop feature. The drag and drop functionality within Process Runner is designed to streamline the data mapping process, allowing you to quickly map data between Excel and SAP with minimal effort. Opening a BAPI automation script. Let's begin by opening a BAPI automation script that has already been recorded. While the drag and drop feature is available across all four of Process Runner's technologies, for this demonstration, we'll focus on using a BAPI script. Mapping Excel to SAP. In the Mapper ribbon, you can easily drag and drop columns from Excel to their corresponding fields in SAP. For example, drag the customer number from column A in Excel to the customer field in SAP. Process Runner will automatically select the mapping type Excel to SAP and assign the mapped value to the appropriate column. Exploring other mapping types. Process Runner offers multiple mapping types for greater flexibility, including fixed single value, which uses a provided value, system value, which uses a dynamically calculated value, and Excel cell value, which uses a value from a specific Excel cell. These options allow you to customize how data is mapped based on your specific needs. Downloading data from SAP. Switching to the Download from SAP tab, you can also drag and drop fields for data downloading. For example, drag and drop the name and city fields from SAP to columns B and C in the iBook respectively. Process Runner will automatically update the mapping type to SAP to Excel and assign the correct values. Running the process file. With all mappings completed, you are now ready to run the process file. Simply hit the Run button, log into SAP, and click OK. The data mapping process is now complete, and you can see how quick and easy it is with Process Runner's drag and drop feature. And there you have it. Mapping data between Excel and SAP is now easier than ever thanks to Process Runner's drag and drop feature. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us via this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight software product documentation using the link provided in the description.